It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again.
Hey you guys, can I show you something? This is my new ZV-1F white camera that I purchased. It's for Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, and even TikTok. I decided to get this because I was using my phone and I was encountering a problem with space. So I needed something that was simple and easy. I already had a camera, but it was big and bulky and it just wasn't easy to use. So I decided to sell that one and replace it with this one. So when I opened it up, it had the paperwork, the manual warranty. It included a USB-C charging cable. You'll see the little white furry thing, which is a windscreen for the built-in mic. It also came with a battery, and I had to purchase a memory card separately. What I like about this ZV-1F is that it's compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around. It has a beautiful matte finish. It has a flip out touchscreen, which is ideal for selfie style shooting, which is exactly what I was looking for. Setting it up is super simple, and I created another video just to show you the different things that you can do to make it easy to navigate, like all the different settings.